Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair error Van9003 TPM 2.0. To start, open in File Explorer, open to the C drive. Here, access the Riot Games folder. After this, in the Valorant folder, open the Live folder. After, open the Shooter Game folder and then access binaries. Now in the Win64 folder, right-click on Valorant Win64 Shipping and choose Properties. Here in the Compatibility tab, check the box, Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK. When you do this, you must restart the system. During this process, press the Delete or F2 key to access the BIOS or UEFI of the PC. Based on the board, in the Security section, click on TCG Feature Setup. After this, in the Security Chip field, assign the value enabled to TPM 2.0. Again in Security, click on Secure Boot. In this section, set the enabled value for Secure Boot. Save the changes with the EFI10 key. Thanks to this, you will not have the error in Valorant. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.